Kill a defenseless animal, I'm gonna honor his sacrifice by grilling it into some tasty barbecue. What I'm not gonna do is torture it just to prove I can't hit anything further away than my own pecker.
What is a real junkyard dog? ¿Dónde se conocieron?
Le aventé un hueso y me siguió a la casa.
Hey, cowboy, you the pretty one. You ever hear the expression, you got a face only a mother can love? That don't apply to you. You are uglier than the devil's asshole itself. Dig.
What are you doing?
They're torturing chickens, man.
What do you eat?
A chicken. But it's not the same thing, okay?
See that bag over there by the table? Buffet table next to the potato salad?
Yeah, the bowling bag. What about it?
Little throw's head in that bag.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
Son of a, you know what? That's fucked up, man.
Whoa. Let's go. Okay. Let's go.
Dale, güey.
Chupa mi verga, cabrón, jodido.
Say in English, you go fuck.
Maricón. Suck my chicken.
That's funny coming from you, fat boy. You ain't seen your pecker since you were a baby.
Puto.
Just because you put your finger in your belly button, brown shit comes out, don't mean it's your asshole.
What did you say?
Don't worry about it, man. I dig him up, make some damn barbecue.
Oh, my God.
Bye, chica.
Did you just wink at him?
I did wink at him because he's my bitch now.
Uh-oh. That's good shooting.
Gracias.